I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Renault Megane. So from any screen, it's on sat nav at the moment. You have setup here, and you've also got telephone. So we'll just go into setup. There, it's gone on to audio settings, phone settings, or Bluetooth connections. Then for this doesn't work. That takes you back to sat nav. So back to setup. Phone settings, then we turn this knob here. Phone settings, turn down. Now it goes the opposite way to the way I'd turn it to get to something. Bluetooth connection, phone settings. We'll go to Bluetooth connection, click that. You've got Barry's phone there, click on that, and then it's on to connect. Well, I've disconnected it from here, so it gives me the option to delete. I want to delete it, so just turn the rotary thumb wheel to delete, click delete again. Do you really want to delete? No, that's why I selected delete and pressed it. So we'll select yes and click yes. Device deleted. You see there, it's gone. So we'll try and get out of that. So we're on radio.